we'd like to felicitate our workshop faculty in advance because we may not be coming down again. May I request Dr. Mohan Rao, Ms. Twinkle, Ms. Hebsi, Dr. Ilango, and Ms. Vijayashri to please come on the stage. Ma'am. Actually, the workshop was scheduled at 3 o'clock or 3:30, but our faculty have been so good. They have been waiting for the past few hours. Lieutenant Colonel Nirmala and Madam, could you please felicitate them? Dr. Mohan Rao, sir. Staff Nurse Twinkle. Staff Nurse Hepsi. Dr. Ilango Setu. And Ms. Vijayashri. Thank you so much, and we are extremely sorry for the delay. Thank you so much for staying back. I request all of you to proceed to the second floor, and you can have tea and also workshop. Just divide yourself among the stations that are there, and I request that you mix with people from other than your organization, because right from the beginning we've been telling this is for networking, this is for you to get to know each other. So CMC, JIPMA, Madurai Meenakshi, and everyone should be mixed up, and both teacher and learner are you. Anyone who knows about the things, you can teach each other. So let's go up and wrap up the workshop quickly so that you can all go to the beach.